The gates are officially open. We have just witnessed the single most important catalyst for the Internet Computer Protocol since mainnet launch. This isn't just another partnership. This is the moment the institutional money hose gets turned on. And if you don't understand what this means for ICP, for ckBTC, and the entire ecosystem, you're about to get left behind. I'm Domenico today, and I'm here to tell you why. For years, we've been talking about mass adoption. We've been dreaming about the day when Wall Street level capital would finally flow into DeFi. But it never happened at scale. But why? Because for big money, DeFi has been a Wild West. The private key management is a nightmare. The compliance is a mess. And the technological complexity is just too high. They couldn't just plug and play, so trillions of dollars have been sitting on the sidelines, watching and waiting for a secure, compliant on-ramp. Well, the wait is over because as of October the 20th, 2025, that on-ramp is officially live on the Internet Computer. A company called PrimeVault, backed by absolute titans like Combinator and HashKey Capital, has just launched the first institutional-grade digital asset infrastructure for ICP DeFi, built in partnership with the DFINITY Foundation itself. Let me break down why this is so monumental. PrimeVault isn't just a fancy wallet. They have built a full stack programmatic API that lets institutions automatically execute complex DeFi strategies with enterprise level security. Think of it like this. Before PrimeVault, if a hedge fund wanted to provide liquidity on ICPSwap, they'll need a team of blockchain devs, security auditors, and operations specialists. Very complex. It will take months and cost an absolute fortune. But now, they can do it with a few lines of code in hours. This turns DeFi from a risky science project into a predictable, scalable revenue stream for them. And for us, this is the liquidity injection we have been praying for. Pierre, Samaties, the CBO at DFINITY, said it perfectly. He said, in quote, "This makes institutional participation seamless and straightforward." So when you have a top exec using those words like that, you know the barriers have been shattered. Okay, let's get technical. How does this directly translate to growth for the actual ICP ecosystem? Okay, I see a triple threat boost happening right now. And why? Because ckBTC is the biggest winner here. Because institutions love Bitcoin. It's their safe haven. It's the digital gold. But they hate the slowness and the cost of moving native Bitcoin. ckBTC on the Internet Computer is instant and virtually free. It is the perfect frictionless representation of Bitcoin for DeFi. But now with PrimeVault, institutions can programmatically deploy their Bitcoin into ckBTC and then immediately put it to work in yield strategies, liquidity pools, and real-world asset protocols, all on ICP, fully decentralized, 100%. This creates a massive, and I mean a massive sustained demand for ckBTC. It's going to go only up to the right from here. We're not talking about retail investors with a few $100s. We're talking about funds moving millions, tens of millions. The liquidity depth for ckBTC pairs is about to explode. It's only going to go up to the right. You know why? Because this math is simple. Think of it like this. New, massive source of capital, a direct rapid increase in total value locked. The DEXs mentioned in the announcement, like ICPSwap, Sonic, KongSwap, are about to see their liquidity pools deepen to levels we've never seen before. Because this improves pricing, reduces slippage for everyone, and makes the entire ICP DeFi ecosystem more robust and attractive to the big money. The TVL charts over the next 3, 6 months, year, and years going forward are going to be a thing of beauty. Because this is the long-term game. This is not a day-to-day game. Because when institutions come in, and it's only a matter of time, it's inevitable. They don't just bring money. They bring legitimacy. They bring rigorous analysis. They force high standards of development and security, and this will attract more builders to the ecosystem. And what do builders create? They create more better and powerful dApps. And with the launch of Caffeine AI, where through natural code, builders can build whatever they like, the mass adoption to the right is only a matter of time. We're already seeing this with protocols like Water Neuron for liquid staking and Origin and Goldell for real-world assets. The adoption is only going to grow from here. And these are the kinds of sophisticated use cases that institutional money is hungry for. PrimeVault's infrastructure is the key that totally unlocks this entire virtuous cycle. This is how you go from a niche blockchain to a global financial settlement layer that is fully decentralized on chain. So what does that mean for you and me? How can you position yourself? 1, pay very, very close attention to the ckBTC ecosystem, the DEXs, the lending protocols, the yield aggregators. As ckBTC flows surge, and they have been surging to the right, the platforms that support it will see unprecedented growth. It's inevitable and only a matter of time. And 2, the announcement came with a $200,000 grant program from PrimeVault for ICP builders. So if you're a developer or you know one, this is your call to action. They're literally funding the next wave of killer apps on ICP, and they're providing the infrastructure to connect them directly to institutional capital. This is your time to build now, and the link to apply will be in the description below. And for the rest of us, supporting these new grant-funded projects, providing liquidity to them, being early users, that's how you find the gems that are the 10x's in this new environment. Because let me be perfectly clear, the internet computer was always a technological marvel. It is the best technological blockchain in crypto by far. Its decentralization, its speed, its reverse gas model, its ability to host fully 100% on-chain front ends and back ends, it's unparalleled. But technology alone doesn't create a bull market. Liquidity does, adoption does, and this is inevitable. And PrimeVault just connected the world's most advanced blockchain to the world's deepest pockets. This is the missing piece we have been waiting for. The narrative for ICP has permanently shifted from what if to what next. And you saw also yesterday how ICP was also listed to the US ETF. So it's going to be listed on the NASDAQ. That is also going to provide liquidity and also mainstream adoption of what ICP is. It's just a matter of time. It's going to take time, but it is inevitable. And if this doesn't get you excited about the future of ICP, I don't know what will. Everyone's always looking at the price, but it's just all short-term noise. So do me a favor. You smash that like button if you're bullish on what this means for ICP, and comment below and tell me what project you think will benefit the most from this institutional inflow. And let's get a discussion going. And subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I do my best to break these ICP Alpha videos daily to you so I can keep you informed on the ecosystem and the direction in where we're going. And I do not want you to miss the videos that come out. So this is more than just an announcement. It's an inflection point. The infrastructure has been built out. It is the best tech in crypto. So now the capital is ready, and we're going to go through the mass adoption phase curve within the ecosystem. And that's going to be also hand in hand with the AI productivity boom that will kick off next year, because the floodgates are open. The era of institutional DeFi Web3 on the internet computer starts now. Just don't watch it happen. You have to be a part of it. You need to be decentralized and informed. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.